In this discussion, you can see how to create menus icon as well as the module icon. For example, if you can see here in corner of this icon, and you can see here the main menus is displayed with the icons, right? So like invoicing, maintenance, apps, settings, contact, discuss, like inventory and manufacturing. But if you see here, like school and the student menu don't have icons, so by default like Odoo provides these icons in this theme. So this is enterprise theme. So if you are not providing any icons for this menu in menu level, so you can by default you can see like this. But if you want to add some attractive icons, then it will display like this. So let's say how we can add here icon in the menu level. Plus if you go to here in App Store, you can see here the module name with the icons, right? Like if let's say the point of sale, then after stock, then after this account, the sales management, all have icons, right? So you can't see here like without icons, but you can see a few modules without icons like this. So by default, if you are not providing any icons for this module, for the module level, then Odoo provides this is the default image for the icon. Let's say let's search a module first, remove this app. So by default you can see this is the icons, and if you go to here in the main menus, you can see like this, right? So you can see like this is not a looks good, right? So in this discussion we will see like how you can create your own custom icons without prior knowledge of the graphics designing. And if you are a graphics designer and if you know graphics designing, that is very good for you. Like you can just use this tool. And in case you missed previous discussion about the special commands, especially the 2,0, how to use and what is the purpose, and how you can also optimize the CRUD operation using the special operations, the special commands, you can see here in this playlist. In this playlist you will see the first playlist, Odoo special commands. So here you will get all the informations about the special commands, and already explained like how we can use 0, 1 and 2 special commands and why we need to use this one. That link is given in this description also. So let's back to our main topic, like how we can create here icons. So first of all we need icons in PNG format. So right now we don't have anything, right? So let me go to here in the second tab. So this tab, like let me refresh the page. So this is the default Odoo's Icon Builder, and here like we have to pass few parameters to generate icons. If you want to learn more about how it's generating, what parameter they are using, then you can scroll down. You can see at the first is the documentation. This icon builder, it will create icons from these 5 websites. We will see like how we can create. So if you scroll down, you will get all the informations like what is the parameters and all. So let's back to top of the screen. Now you can see here Odoo versions. For example, if you want to develop icons for the Odoo 12, you can just select to this version, the specific versions only. And right now we are using the latest version Odoo 14 with the enterprise. So right now I'm leave as it is. Here you can see icon set. This is the main thing here, like which icon set you are trying to generate. So we have to use the specific one. Don't worry about this one, we will see. The third one is the icon class. So here like which bootstrap class we have to use to generate this one. Then after you can see this icon font color. Right now it's a white color, and if you want to change, then you can just drag and drop, and you can just try to click to this button like generate. And now it's a none because we didn't provide any class name here, so that's why it's going to generate as a none. Otherwise you can see the red color. Let me refresh the page again. Okay, and this is for the background color, for this color. So that's it. But now like the question is like how I can add here the class name. So for example, you can see here the icon set. like font awesome 5 solid, font awesome 5 brands. So like this similar, you can see here in this documentation having this 5 links, right? So let's say I'm just trying to create, I'm just trying to generate one icon for this font awesome 5 solid. So let me open in the new tab. So you can see here like icon set also have the same name. So I'm going here, and by default you can see, by default it's a free plus the solid, both filter are available. And let me add here for the school profile, like school. Okay, so right now you can see here this one is the good one, and I'm just trying to click that one, that icon. And now you can see here like this png file you will get, and you can see here this class name, right? So what we need to do is we need to just click means it's copied automatically, and here we have to paste here, and we have to remove the extra content, like we need to only use the class name only, and then after we have to click to this generate button. That's it. You can see this icon is generated. But if you want to add like red color, you can use like this. So that's the purpose of this font color, and this is for the background color. So let me add as a white color, and trying to download this icon. After, like let's say by mistakenly you choose any other option and you're just trying to use this one, then what happened, like if this font or some 5 brands having this class name, then it will automatically generate here, otherwise it will showing as a blank. So this is the, like you can say as a one mistake from our side. So you need to you need to select the proper icon set to generate the specific icon, and that's it. Now what we have to do here is, so now I'm going to in folder. Okay, so this is our folder, and right now in the school profile, in the school module, you don't see anything about the static folder. So let me create here static folder. After inside the static, we have to add here the description folder. The purpose of this description folder is, so here you can see this icon here. By default it's this one, but if you want to place the specific icon, then we need to place in static slash in static folder. Inside the static folder we have to place, we have to create a new folder description, and inside this description we have to add here the icon.png. So if we are going here in icons folder, this is the latest one, and we have to just paste here and rename as icon.png. Rest we don't need to do anything. So I'm just copy this static folder and try to place in both module, in student also. But in student we don't need to use this one, but let's create another icon, like let's say bootstrap icon. Let me open here. Okay, so you can see like this. Let me add here student. Okay, not found. Then people. Okay, so this is the good one, and you can see this is the class name. I'm just trying to copy this one and paste here. That's it. I'm trying to generate, but see, I just selected this icon set, but I have to select this bootstrap icons and try to click to this generate button. Now you can see this automatically appear like this way, but I want to change the background color. like this and download, and I'm going to in folder. Okay, it's created, and going to in static, I'm sorry, in description. Let me remove this one and place here this new icon and rename as icon.png. That's it. Let me remove extra folders, and I'm just trying to go to in terminal and try to upgrade the school module. Now I'm going to in front end side and refresh the page. You can see here automatically the icon is visible for the module level. But if you see here, if you click to this corner icon, still we need to add here the menu icon. So here we don't have icons for the menu, right? So we are also using the same icons for this menu. Like how we can do, like we need to go to in our add-ons path, in we have to open the main menu. So you can see here, this is the menu item, ID and name is all available. Here this is the main menu, and let me add here the icon. So here we have to use web underscore icon. This is the attribute name, and in this double quote we have to use as a folder name as a school. After comma, then after we have to use like in this school module where it is. So in the school, the icon is available in static, inside static description, and description having this icon.png. So after comma we have to add like static, then after description, then after like icon.png, and same thing we have to use for the student profile. Okay, so this is our menu item and this is the main one, and let me add here web underscore icon equal to, in double quote we have to mention here the module name like school underscore student, after comma, and here we have to mention as a static slash description and slash icon.png. So you can see here static, description and png file is available. Now let me upgrade one more time the school module, and just trying to go to in front end side and refresh the page. So now you can see the menu icon is also available for both. You can also add icon for the menu level as well as in module level using like this way. Like you can also add menu icon anywhere. For example, you can also create here inside the static as create a new img file, img directory, and under the img directory you can also add any icons. That is fine. So the mandatory thing is in static description we have to mention icon.png for the module level. For the menu level you can place anywhere, like let's say this icon, or let me create another icon. Let's a pink icon. I'm trying to download, and I'm going to here and copy this one, and this is our student profile. So I'm adding here parallel the manifest file and trying to add here like odoo underscore icon.png. So in for the menu there is no any restriction for the file name, but yes, if you want to display the specific icon in module level, then you have to use static description and icon.png file. Here, like we add in view part, we add like this, right? So let me comment this one, and we have to add here like this Odoo underscore icon.png. So this is the module name, this is compulsory, and then after here the path of the image file. So here you can see this Odoo underscore icon.png file is available inside the school underscore student profile, not in the subfolder. So we need to add like this, and just trying to upgrade the module, and I'm going to in front end side and refresh the page. Now you can see this icon change from orange to the pink color. So like this way you can generate your icons using this icon builder for Odoo. So here the main advantage is, like, if you don't know the graphics designing part, so this is the best for you. I hope you understood like how you can add icon in as a menu level or as a module level. In case you have any doubt or any query, please comment below, and see you in next session.